Hey Sunnyvale, I'm sure you're aware that mortgage interest rates are super high, we have super low housing inventory, inflation is high. So are you curious on how the Sunnyvale market is doing in our city? Stay tuned to find out. Hey Sunnyvale neighbors, my name is Cesar.yanez and I'm your real estate authority here in Silicon Valley. And today I want to give you the latest market stats for our city of Sunnyvale. And if you have any questions, please make sure to leave it out in the comments. Send me a DM to my social media, I'll put it right here. And without further ado, let's get into the Sunnyvale real estate market update. Okay, so these numbers I'm going to share with you are from the month of August 2023. I still don't have the numbers for September because we're still in September. Once the month ends and the numbers come out for September in October, then I'll do a market update for the month of September on how Sunnyvale did. And one more thing to keep note is that these numbers are for single family homes only in Sunnyvale. So let's begin with homes sold. In the month of August 2023, there were 48 homes that sold in Sunnyvale. Now, if we compare this month, August 2023, to the previous month, July 2023, there was a 6.7% increase in homes sold from July to August. So there were more homes sold in 1 month span. Now, if we compare how many homes sold in August of 2023 to August 2022, a year ago, there was a 20% increase. So there were way more homes being sold this year compared to 1 year ago. Now let's talk about the number of homes for sale at the end of the month. So at the end of the month, the last day of August, there were 17 homes for sale on the market active in Sunnyvale. Now this was a change from the previous month, a 29% decrease. So we had way less homes for sale at the end of this month compared to last month, which just shows how fast the market is moving and how little inventory we have. And if we compare this stat to August of 2022, 1 year ago, it's a 73% decrease, meaning we had way more homes for sale 1 year ago at the end of the month of August compared to today at the end of the month of August. So huge change in inventory. It just shows you how fast the market is moving and how tight our inventory is for single family homes in Sunnyvale. Okay, so now let's talk about median days on market. For the month of August 2023 in Sunnyvale, the median days on market was 8 days. So it was taking 8 days for a home seller to accept an offer and go into contract. This was an 11% decrease compared to the previous month of July 2023, meaning homes were going pending, accepting an offer faster compared to July. And if we take a look at this stat compared to a year ago, August 2022, this was a 29% decrease. So the homes right now are selling way faster than 1 year ago. Now let's talk about median price per square foot in Sunnyvale. So for the month of August 2023, the median price per square foot was $1,400 per square foot. If we compare this stat to the previous month, July 2023, there was a 6.2% increase in the price per square foot, which means that home prices are still going up and they continue to go up in Sunnyvale. Now, if we take this $1,400 per square foot and compare it to what it was 1 year ago, August 2022, there was a 17% increase. So even though the market slowed down the latter half of 2022, since this year, the beginning of 2023, I've seen that home prices have continued to go up. The market has been super competitive, and this is a stat that shows us that the market continues to go higher, prices continue to go up. So 17% year-to-year increase. All right, so let's talk about months of inventory. For August 2023 in Sunnyvale, we had 0.4 months of inventory, not even one full month. And what this stat means is that if we take our current inventory, our houses active on the market, and there were not new homes coming in on the market, it would take 0.4 months for everything to sell, which is insanely low. If you take a look at this stat across the country, many other competitive cities have 3-4 months of inventory, and that is still considered a seller's market. So you can imagine if we don't even have 1 month of inventory in Sunnyvale, we have a super seller's market in Sunnyvale, and the inventory is really tight. Now, if we take this stat and compare it to last month, July 2023, there was a 34% decrease in the months of inventory, which just shows you we don't have many homes available for sale. We don't have a lot of homes coming in on the market. If we compare that to 1 year ago, August 2022, it's a 78% decrease, which is huge. Last year, Sunnyvale already barely had any homes for sale, and this year the inventory is even tighter. Okay, so let's talk about median sold price for single family homes in Sunnyvale, August 2023. The median sold price was $2,125,000. Now, in this rare instance, we actually had a decrease from the previous month of July. There was a 6.5% decrease, meaning median sold price in July and median sold price in August. It went down, so prices were a little bit lower median wise. And you know that can fluctuate month to month due to the prices of the homes being sold each month. If we really want to see if prices have gone up or down, I think the better stat to look at would be the year to year. So compared to August of 2022, there was a 6.3% increase in median sold price. And I think that stat is worth focusing on more, and it just shows us the full landscape more. So home prices in Sunnyvale have continued to go up, and this is supported by the increased percentage of price per square foot. So now, homes under contract, there were 46 homes that went under contract in Sunnyvale in August 2023, 46 homes that accepted an offer. Compared to the previous month, it was a 15% increase, so more homes went pending month to month, and it was also a 15% increase from the previous year, August 2022. So what does this mean for you if you're looking to buy or sell a house in Sunnyvale in this market? If you're a home buyer, as you saw with the stats, the market is very competitive. There's not a lot of options. Inventory is really tight. So my suggestion for you is, if you want to get into a house before the end of the year, is make sure you have your file fully underwritten, so you don't have any surprises with your loan, and this will allow you to make a cleaner offer with a shorter escrow period, maybe 15-21 days if your lender is able to do that. I will tell you, the seller in this market picks the best and highest offer, so make sure you do your best, be aggressive, be competitive, do what you're comfortable with, but make the cleanest offer you possibly can. Shorter escrows, no contingencies. If everything looks right, make sure you look into the disclosures and inspection reports thoroughly with your agent. If you're a seller in this market, typically the market does slow down in these holiday months in our area, but as you can see with the stats, inventory is so tight that there's way more demand than inventory. We can still expect a competitive market throughout the holiday months, multiple offer scenarios, bidding wars. So there's nothing to worry about. We're in a super seller's market. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me. And that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the stats. Again, if you have any questions, make sure to put them in the comments. Send me a direct message on social media. And if you want to get these stats weekly about the market, keep you updated with our market, you can sign up for my newsletter in the link below in the description, and I'll make sure to send that right to your inbox every week. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, peace. Give me every time.